wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. I'm here! Money, clout, fame, love, disease, and play. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where diseases are on every street. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh!
Target detected! Target detected! Tango in my sight.
I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off on a mindless topic. If I ever put out
Tango in my sight.
but I'm all silent. So if you know who we're talking, my face on you don't want it. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim.
Tango in my sight! I'm hit!